I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Join me for How Tuesday. Today we're going to learn how to use the beetle bag inserts to make this fast and fun organizer. Here's what you're going to need. You'll need a piece of fabric for the exterior, one piece of fabric for the interior, and a piece of batting. Cut them all 13 by 19. You'll also need two 2.5-inch strips for binding, two 12-inch pieces of ribbon or twill tape to tie your project bag closed, one package of the beetle bag inserts, a friction marker, and thread to either match or contrast your project. Spray baste your exterior, batting, and interior to make a quilt sandwich. Use 505 spray or pins. Find the center of your long side and make a mark. Draw a line through the center with your friction marker. We need to quilt our layers together. So quilt down that line and then every inch on both sides until your whole project is quilted. Or you could choose to free motion quilt as well. Trim your quilted fabric to 12 by 18. Find the center of your short sides and baste your ribbon or twill tape to the ends. Pin your ribbon ends down so they don't get in the way. Piece your two binding strips together on the diagonal. Press wrong sides together and sew onto the exterior of your storage bag just like you would when you're binding a quilt. Turn your binding to the interior and clip with your Wonder Clips. Now you can hand or machine stitch your binding in place. Unpin your ribbon from the back and make sure you keep those tails out of the way for the next step. Center your beetle bag inserts on your drawn line. Stitch a rectangle down the center of your beetle bag inserts. Make sure to apply some pressure to flatten all the layers as you're stitching. Fill the pockets of your beetle bag inserts and tie it up with your ribbon. You can use your storage pockets to store hand stitching, your kids' school supplies, and electronic gadgets. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesday. I hope you'll try making a storage bag using the beetle bag inserts.